Tensions in the Middle East have dominated headlines worldwide, but to understand what's happening today, we need to explore the history, strategies, and military power of these nations. The roots of the conflict trace back decades. Iran's 1979 revolution changed the regional power balance. The U.S. and Israel became close allies, while Iran faced sanctions and international isolation. Nuclear programs, regional influence, and ideological differences intensified tensions over time. Historically, armies relied on conventional weapons, tanks, artillery, and ground forces. Today, modern warfare relies on drones, satellite surveillance, cyber systems, and advanced missile defense. Technology allows these nations to project power far beyond their borders. Israel focuses on defense and intelligence, with rapid response systems and air superiority. Iran emphasizes regional influence via alliances and proxy forces. The U.S. leverages global military presence and advanced technology. Each nation's strategy explains why certain regions remain tense while others are calm. Recent escalations include targeted strikes, cyber operations, and diplomacy. Social media and global news amplify these events. Each nation adapts using modern technology and intelligence, shaping the dynamics of the conflict in real time. Tensions affect global energy markets, international diplomacy, and regional stability. Understanding intelligence, military technology, and strategy is key to predicting potential outcomes and their impact on the world. History shows that intelligence and planning often outweigh brute force. Human decisions remain critical. What do you think? Will diplomacy prevail, or will technology escalate the conflict?
If you want more deep dives into conflicts, weapons, and global strategies, comment below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay with War Rewind, because history always repeats in new ways.